everyone, today in this video I'm going to be checking out the Tineco Floor One S5 Pro 2. If you're interested in this smart cordless floor washer or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Here's a look at the retail box and packaging with some of its key features highlighted. We can learn what's in the box. We have all of its smart features listed out on the back side right here. Then on this side they walk you through the Tineco iLoop Smart Sensor Tech. And then we're back to the beginning. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and see what's inside. Here are all the contents. First up, we have your user guide and manual. Front and center, they have their customer service and contact information. Inside the manual, you'll find all the help and support you need to get everything up and running, learning how to use it, assemble it, all different accessories, tech specs, troubleshooting, maintenance, you name it, they have it in here. And it's in multiple languages. Next, you'll find 16.9 fluid ounces of cleaning solution with instructions on the back. We have our wet dry vac handle right here with our buttons and controls, easy to access. We have a cleaning brush, power supply with barrel connector, charging station right here. See that from all different sides and angles, plugs into the back. Right there. On each side we have accessory storage, so those can just slide right in place. We have an extra washable filter, an extra main brush roller, and last but not least, the unit itself. Let's look at that in more detail. Starting with the front of the unit, you'll notice we have the Tineco logo and branding up at the top. We have our dirty water tank right here that we can easily remove. Once removed, we have access to our second washable filter. And then we can pull this open to easily dump out and clean any debris. On the side of the dirty water tank, it has your max level indicator letting you know when it's full. And everything assembles just like that, and then it can snap right back in place. Further down the unit, we have our main brush roller with the release right here to pop open the cover to wash and clean as needed. And we have easy access to remove our brush when it's time to replace. Now here's a look at the side profile and the other side. Now looking at the back side, we have our clean water tank right here with instructions on how to properly fill up with warm tap water. And what's nice with this horizontal fill-up design, we can basically get under just about any faucet now, as opposed to it being this way, where you'd have to have a really tall sink. So that's really clever, and I like to see that. Then we have the back with it removed. Up at the top right here, we have a mute, Wi-Fi, and language switch button. They also have their customer service and contact information right here again on the unit. Tineco is not hiding from you, they support their products. And now looking at the very bottom, main brush roller, two smaller wheels, our main wheels, and then right here we have our charging contact.